Hi, my name is Maya. I am a creator designer for MayaLunaCorazon crochet clothing brand. I started my YouTube channel since December 2016 to share with you my personal design so that everyone can practice the art of crochet together with me. I also run crochet pattern shop on Ravelry and Etsy. I offer different sizes of my design, so if you want to make crochet pieces to sell, you're then able to offer various sizes to your customer. I believe in community, that helping each other to grow is important. So every time you purchase my patterns, you are supporting my art and the community here. Your support is helping me to create more patterns to share. We are like the trees in the forest. We share the same ground, same earth, and the roots are twining in one. I love to connect with like-minded people via social media. I use Instagram, Facebook. I also love taking my own photograph. I feel like no one can bring out the touch, the sparkle of my work the way I do through the image. And so I learned to take my own photograph. Photography is also my passion as well as healing work. In my channel, I share not only how to make beautiful things with your hands, I also promote self-healing, the benefit of positive thinking and meditation through crochet. I believe that we all have a story to tell and share, but I am here to remind you that you are not the story. You are the writer of the story that you are experiencing. And if you do not like the story you are in it right now, I then encourage you to write a new one. Just like how we magically create beautiful things from the single thread, yarn, and a hook, we make magic happen. You make magic happen. I made a commitment to myself that I will take the time to post every week to catch up with you. I will be posting crochet tutorial and anything crochet related during the week. And every Sunday, I will sneak out from my comfort zone to chat with you about personal and spiritual growth. I hope you stick around with me for a long time. I would love very much if you subscribe to my channel so that you can be the first to see me here. And don't forget to click that little bell next to it so that you get the notification in your inbox every time I post a new video here. If you haven't yet signed up to my mailing list, you can do it now and get a free written pattern that I'm offering right now on my website. Feel free to comment below to say hi and introduce yourself to our community here. I see you again soon, my friends. For now, happy crocheting!